Samla pule ke Don Bosco College Byndihati kila shim bynta da ke jingshongshit bat jingkmen haka sien banyngkong ba kibor ba pyniaid ya ke college kila pynlong ya ke youth parliament haka shipho tarik Risaw haka ni ke lympung Iatai Dorbar Paliament jong Samla pule lawan pynshngain da Bah Krison Langstang MDC Sumer konstituwensi haka ni ke youth parliament Samla ke bala shim bynta kila pyrthuhbud ya ke jingiatai nia jong ki MP Iing Dorbar Lok Sabha jong kari India ki jingiatai ki lalong ki itynnat bat ki babeit baryntih kat kum ki kendon kum balong halok sabha na kani ka lympung ki Samla pule kira sedang ban peipang ya ki rukom Iatai nia Iing Dorbar Thaw Ain jong kari India kani kare ka jingpen kre ban yashim banta haka national level competition ka banlong haki banai banwan
विभिन्न कारणों से होने वाली मृत्यु में काफी वृद्धि हो सकती है और बुजुर्गों को दूसरे की तुलना में सबसे अधिक जोखिम होता है The four common heat health hazards resulting from the excessive exposure to heat waves include dehydration, cramps.
500 से ज्यादा लोग पेरिस हुई है.
This disease requires time and often travel to resolve.
Maintain the diagram of the house.
मनीषा जैसे महोदया, इस बात को हमें स्वीकार करना होगा कि मणिपुर में हिंसा की घटनाएं कम होती जा रही है. इसका मतलब शांति का आशा लगभग शांति पे भरोसा करना संभव हो रहा है. मनीषा जैसे महोदया, मणिपुर में भी जैसे देश के अन्य भाषाओं में परीक्षा हुई, वहाँ भी परीक्षा हुई है और बच्चों का अपनी विकास यात्रा जारी रखी है.
You're building up, you're speaking something which actually from yourself also, and when such type of things, you take from your own words and express, that becomes actually more attached or more becomes a bond to you, to yourself, actually for you. Then later on when you go out or when you give anywhere, then if you made a mistake, you will learn, and if you have not made a mistake also, you can improve more and more from it. So I'm very happy that like I said, this is I think this comes under the institution group of NPY, this National Youth Program Parliamentary Programs scheme, because there are three categories, I think so, if I'm not mistaken. One is the institution group, the other is the citizenship group, and the last one individual group. So I think most of you all, before coming to this also, the basic thing is I think you have to learn, and I think you have to prepare what is actually the purpose and objective of these schemes. So I will not say much. Like I said, actually I've come here to see you all giving a tough competition and tough debates among yourselves. Like I said, when you debate, remember this type of programs basically, I said, for you, when you debate, you become the best debaters, and you become a policy makers, and you can become an opinion makers. These are the things which this scheme is particularly very objective and interesting. And why these schemes are made up? Because if you see, and I've seen for myself also, from experience, students or friends or anybody else, for that matters, or in the public platform, I've seen very few people are coming forward to debate things. Now, if you see social media, if you see WhatsApp, in Facebook, anything, you see comments. There's some people who are very giving comments. I've seen personally, I'm not trying to speak bad about it, but I've seen personally there are people who give such, they always comment negative, but they don't give their ideas, their opinions. That is very wrong actually. You as a person here, when you give something, when you want to give any question or you want to comment about anything, I believe and I will encourage each and every of you. First, you need to know the basic, or first you need to know what the issue is about. You cannot just, like as a student, you cannot just accept or don't accept things because you like it or you don't like it. means I think so. You will actually want you want to move forward. You cannot go ahead. You cannot move forward with such kind of thing, more mindset. So even though I said, and I accept example that I've seen good comments. But when he came with me in the programs, I told him to give a speech now. He gave only 1 minute speech, and then also just giving thanks to these people, and I said that's it. Now that I say that see, in social media you're good, but in reality you're not good. That is very bad actually. So I see that's why I said here, when you say public issues regarding that, any issues that you see anything, you first understand, you first read it, and give your comments and give your say. If you have to criticize it, criticize it. It's not like if you understand it, then definitely you will give a positive